Hi, I am Anindam Molli. I like to welcoming you on my Python programming basic course. Our today's topic is variables in Python programming language. Let's start. Now, what is variable? What do you know about variable? Means variables are using means we have a lots of data, but for on some place we are must be used for storing our data. That's the use of variables. Means where we store our data, but means the data may be changed. That means the storing the value of the variables may be changed. That's why it's a variable. Name is variable. It is used to for storing our data, but the value may be changed. Basically, variables are reserved the memory allocation which stores the data. Variables are reserved some memory space or memory locations which stores the data. Okay. Now, rules for declaring variable in Python. The first character of the variable be is a underscore or some letter. I will give you an example that how to declare a variable. But first, you remember the rules. First character of the variable be is a and underscore is maybe start with the underscore or start with a letter. Rest of part of the variable name same can be underscore or letter or some number from 0 to or digit means digit 0 to 9. Letters may be caps or small, capital letter or small letter. Means first start with underscore or letter. Rest of part there is the underscore or letter or digit. But keep in mind variables name are case sensitive. Okay, means if you are try that we write that in caps VAR means all are capital or small VAR is not same. Different. Two variable are there. Means caps all caps or all small. Okay, means two are different, not same. Now punctuation, like we are not use the punctuation, that is not allowed in Python, like at the rate, dollar, percentage, hash, not this type of signs. Punctuation signs are not allowed in declaration of a variable in Python programming. Example of the valid declaration of a variable like sum. This is a valid declaration. Like underscore my underscore where. This is a valid declaration. We can declare it as this way. Like num1, right? We can declare it like num1. Now where underscore 1 is a valid declaration. We are declared with a like you are just followed for declaring the variable. It's an example. Now say invalid variables or invalid way to declare a variable like one num. No, it is not allowed. My underscore var. No, it is not allowed. Percentage check not allowed. A hash R not allowed in Python. Okay. Now go to the our shell, Python shell. Here, like how to declare. Like for an example, we have declared a variable A. As Python is no need to bother about the data type, so when just like A, then equals to like 10. If you click on press on enter, not printed anything. Okay, because we are not doing the means this is a way for declaring. Okay. Now if you are again we are like print the value of A, so we are like write A, then again enter, so that's the value of 10. Means we are finding that A value is obviously 10 is an integer value. Okay. Now for an example, we are take a B as like float. For an example, float is a variable. Like float is a data type, but variable like we take a B. So 7.5 like 7.5. 7.5. We are take that at we press on enter. No key, nothing is printed. Printed, then press on P. Now again press enter. 7.6 is printed. We will not bother about the data type. Python interpreter automatically declared us or assigned the data type, declared data type on the runtime. That is the advantage of the Python. Thank you.